Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is still extending in this possible wave 1 to the upside in the white scenario. We talked about this already in the last video. We're exploring the idea if wave 1 already finished, but with this upside extension, it's just an extension of wave 1. Support is still holding. As we still extend higher in this 5-wave pattern and it looks impulsive, we will adjust the support area along the way. The price is now on its way to the next target area that I communicated earlier today, not in the previous video, but on Discord in one of our updates for gold members. Update previously today was that as long as the price holds above the intraday low, I'm going to consider the $3,002 level as the next target of wave 5 of 1, and that the price was at 2,902 at the time. Since then, we haven't pushed massively higher, but a little bit. We're now at 2,928, still a little bit. And at the moment, Ethereum is actually outperforming Bitcoin, funny enough. I mean, it has a lot to catch up, but we've already seen Bitcoin dominance drop a little bit yesterday. ETH BTC is going up a little bit. So that all adds, weight to the thesis that maybe Ethereum could be starting to outperform Bitcoin. It's very early, but I can tell you that the next pullback is obviously going to be very, very important. So once that wave 2 starts and is corrective and holds a higher low, I mean, the third wave could be wild, yeah, here. And then, as I said, I'm gonna track here a possible 5-wave move to the upside as long as support levels are holding. First of all, we need to complete wave C of 3, and we'll have to see how high the wave 1 goes, and then we can project out support for wave 2. I have a support area there already, but that doesn't mean the pullback has started. Let's first get into the target area. When we then see a first break, maybe below the intraday low at 2,780, well, that would be an indication that the wave 2 has started, but it's too early for that. We're still extending higher. And it actually looks like a nice 5-wave move to the upside now. Maybe we start to see some consolidation over the weekend, a bit of a pullback. But yeah, I mean, once we have the wave 2 in place, I can calculate a target for wave 3, then wave 4, then wave 5, and that would only complete a larger degree third wave, then another 4, 5. But we talked about the daily chart in the previous video today. You can find that on the channel if you're interested. For now, I just wanted to let you know what are the next resistance levels. Fibonacci resistance is here between 3,002 and 3,148. That would be the next target range for wave 5 of 1. Because it is the 38.2 and 61.8 extension area of waves 1 and 3 together, yeah, with a possible target for wave 5. And this is just a standard target area, right? So we will see if the market reacts to it. And once we then start to get pullback signals, we can project out the ABC structure that should unfold in wave 2. Important is to understand at the moment, the support area, standard support, yeah, for this pullback, and I will consider it a wave 2 because this rally looks like 5 waves. It is located between 2,474 and 2,711. And then, yeah, today in the next video, we're going to take a look at tomorrow. In the next video, we're going to take a look at the daily chart again. But looking at this, we have now broken out above the range. So it's looking good. And it's the strongest rally we've seen in a long time. Still, though, it's all coming from a corrective base, so we just have to be mindful. This is still very early days and a possible uptrend, but we start to see decent setups across the sector. So that's just something that I highlighted earlier today as well, because things might be changing, and we want to communicate that as soon as possible. Okay, that's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.